There's a lot of debate out there whether you should have a hand-nailed roof or a roof done with a nail gun. If you need windstorm certification, you must hand nail your roof. And here's what's just as important as whether you use a hand nailer or a nail gun. The nails have to go in the right place. That's why we use Owens Corning Duration SureNail shingles. They have a patented nail strip in there. The guys know exactly where the nails need to go, so they're going through both layers of the shingle, and you're gonna get that 130 mile an hour rating out of your Duration shingles. Give us a call, 832-702-9154. I'm Cam the Roof Man with your 10-second roof check. Have a great day.